yeah, I am back in the house after all of those farm chores. I am going to have myself a peanut butter sandwich for breakfast. I love peanut butter. I like jelly too, but I prefer a warm peanut butter sandwich on a multigrain. I love multigrain. I love all of the oats and seeds and whatnot. I'm also gonna have myself some Trader Joe's yogurt. I like Greek yogurt. I don't know, there's something about the texture. It's kind of a little like sour. I'm really into like sour things. And honey, don't forget your moans, your hormones, honey. Do not forget your hormones. Progesterone, a few estradiol pills, and a multi-daily vitamin. I don't play about those things, honey, so. Baby boy. He's a historian, honey. Here we are at the original Friendlies. Thank you, yes. I know my history. I want to visit. Three for the beans.
So what's the next course, baby?
Next course is... Hi everyone, I am at West Meadows. I'm just hanging out. We just saw the eagle, and yeah, we're just relaxing. Our regular, we always come to our little spot and we bird watch and kind of just soak up the nature around us. Trust and believe, honey. Get out there. Happy New Year, bitches.